Hello and welcome to 8th grade math. My name is Ms. Trewartha and I just thought I would go over a few of our policies and procedures that we have in 8th grade math. We've started out semester 2 strong and we've already completed our Unit 5 functions unit. We're currently working on Unit 6 exponents. And coming up next and to finish term 3, we're going to be working on radicals. I wanted to take a minute to go over our packet policy. Each unit has 2 packets, a notes packet, which is usually on colored paper, and then a practice assignments packet, which is just on white copy paper. And both of the packets have to be completed before the student can take the unit test. Both packets need to be done and turned in on our test review day to receive full credit and to qualify to take the test. If packets are turned in after the review day, then they lose 50% of their points. So it's important that students get those packets done and get them done on time. It's also important to learn the material and practice the material before they take the test, which is why we've implemented this policy. Also, I wanted to remind you, you should be receiving weekly progress reports. They're sent every Friday and they contain up-to-date grades. So I don't send it unless all the grades are up to date. I also currently try to update grades within 24 hours. So if your student completes a quiz or turns in any assignment, that is typically graded within 24 hours. And also the weekly progress report includes the lesson schedule. And so if your student is absent or if you know you're going to be gone, the student and you can know what lesson that they would be doing that day if they were in school so that they can stay caught up. I wanted to also mention our math supports. Canvas is an amazing resource. There are lesson notes videos for every single lesson on Canvas. There's also a homework help video for each of the practice assignments, and that's found on Canvas. All quizzes are on Canvas and can be completed at home. We do have time in school to complete those, but if your student is absent or isn't able to finish that, they can complete it at home. And then also all of our resources, all of our packets, all of our review papers, everything that is printed and handed out at school can also be printed from Canvas. And so in each unit, there's a module called Unit Resources, where you can find all of the materials if you need to print them at home. Also, another math support is your student is welcome to come in before or after school to get help in my classroom. I love it when kids come in and ask for help and get help from me, and so they are welcome every day before and after school to come in and get help. We also offer a guided studies math class. It's taught by a math teacher named Miss Belknap. And so if your student is consistently struggling with the materials, that would be something that you would want to email me about. This late into our semester, it would need approval from me and from their counselor to make that change. The guided studies math class would take the place of an elective that your student currently has, but would offer your student a chance to get math help during school hours from a math teacher. So hopefully that answered a lot of questions you might have. If you are interested in scheduling a virtual parent-teacher conference, I will be available for that on Thursday, February 17th from 4 to 7 p.m. And you can just email me at ctrewartha@alpinedistrict.org.